Okay guys, we got a package like this. My name in here. It's been sealed like this. What is this? This should be package from Alien shop. Okay, it's including these 3 items. This is the prices. Let's open this. Can see from here, can see from here, and I will open this. I open this simultaneously so you can see if something happened. Okay, the first item, the biggest item we can see is these things. Okay, this is for help your backbone to sit well. These things. This is for the specifications. Okay, it's okay. And then let's bring out the other things. Setrika wajah and like all the guarantee. Why using a plastic bag? Because we use instant access. These things is they call iron fist messenger. Iron fist messenger like this. Iron fist messenger. Okay. 3 minutes in one sections. 3 minutes. Okay. Let's see the specifications. This is microelectronic import. The usage instruction for use, and let's open this. We got manual book, vibration, forensics instrument, ion import export. We need a battery. Okay, empty. Just the things. We have some straps in there. Okay, let's see the batteries. Oh, the batteries is like this. What kind of batteries? Okay. Let's install again. Cannot be online, I think. I don't know about the batteries or not. Cannot be online. Okay, next Next item. It's for the neck hanger for the phones. I'll open this carefully. Let's see, neck hanger. Okay, your phone in here. Your phone in here, like this, maybe. Ah, yes, it can be scroll up like that. Hold your phone, and this is hanging in your neck. Perfect, just like in the picture. And these things put here. Can release this first, put in here. Yeah. So hard. Okay. Oh, like this. Okay. This is neck hanger. Nice. Just in the picture. Neck hanger like this. Oh, sorry. Let's see neck hanger. Okay. Awesome. So, thank you for watching. Okay, I think this time it works. Is the system. I will open this. It's the most satisfying part. Okay. And this ordinates too. Okay. Wow. And it moving like this. Slower. You can listen. Oh, like that. Okay. This is for the face iron.